Welcome back, Freedom Savers. Videos will be quick again this week as I'm not really investing in any of these except for the Roth, and I did make a couple of changes to things. So anyways, let's get into it. Before I get started, actually, there's a couple things I wanted to mention. One, I'm working overtime this weekend a lot, so I don't have a lot of time to make videos. And it's kind of been that way for the past week. So I apologize. I haven't gotten some of the extra videos out on investing that I normally do and I like to do. But that's why I always promise the portfolio updates at least every week. The credit card debt payoff is going well. It should be paid off next month in March. And there's another thing I want to talk about, but I can't really get into it right now because I don't have enough time tonight. I've got to get these videos created and get to bed. So anyways, to the Roth. The Roth current value is $6,642.18, and I've only got 8 cents sitting in there in cash. I've deposited $63.59.20, which means that we're up $282.98, or 4.45% on the Roth. That's excellent, man. I bought these at the top of the market, so I'm really happy I'm actually in the green. Dividend-wise, we've earned $58.70. We've been paid $11.28 this month compared to $11.62 last month, so we're doing pretty good. We're on par to beat that last month. Overall, we've been paid $20.52 in 2018 and $23.27 in 2019. Let's see here. Dividend changes. There was one dividend change. Well, actually, there was two, I think. Anyways, let's get into it. GPC raised their dividend from $2.88 to $3.05, or 5.83%. So I got a raise from them. And PPL, I got a small raise of 1 cent. It went from 164 to 165. And so 0.49% increase. But hey, whatever, it's a raise. And SPSI dropped their dividend from 128 to 120, but which would normally means that they cut their dividend by 6.25%. But this is a dividend aristocrat. They have been growing their dividend for, I believe, 28 years, because it's over 25. Anyways, they did not actually drop the dividend. If you look at their dividend history, let's go over there real fast and take a quick look so you can see what I'm talking about. Southside Bank shares. If you look at their dividend history, they've done this on a pretty regular basis. So as you can see in 2015, you got 23 cents, 23 cents, 23 cents, and 31 cents. And then they went back to 23 cents, and then 24, then 24, then 30. And then 25, 28, 28, 30. 28, 28, 30, 28. And now 30, 30, 32, 30. So they're still increasing their dividend every single year. It's just not an even number all the time. So they will go up and down throughout that year. So just so you know, we're not actually getting a dividend cut from them. It's a very temporary thing. And I unloaded my spreadsheet. So anyways, yeah. So that's what's happening on the dividend changes. Let's see. Oh, no, there's two more, actually. I got two more raises. UPS gave me a raise of 5.49%, and Walmart gave me a raise of 1.92%. So lots of raises that we're getting almost every week right now. I think this is the time of the year, the first quarter of the year, when all these companies really increase their dividends. So that's awesome. Yearly wise, just so you guys know, I did change my calculation on the gain loss because I found that was a little off and I was calculating it incorrectly. So if you are copying my spreadsheet for your own spreadsheet, you may want to adjust that calculation or look into it and just double check my numbers there and make sure that it's calculating properly. But now they're much closer to what's on M1's holdings page, which is the more accurate number. So anyways, I invested 4 days this week, not 5, because Monday was President's Day. Yeah, I think that's why. Pretty sure that's why. Anyway, so I had 4 investing days. I invested $95.20, increasing my yearly dividend income by $3.44, or 3.61% in yield and cost. Overall, this portfolio is giving me $212.27 a year, or $17.69 a month, which is a 3.34% rate of return for dividends. And yeah, it's all in the green. I'm happy with the Roth. It's doing good. I don't think I did any changes. Nope, nothing changed since last time. You know about me getting rid of the foreign stocks out of here, except for Canada. And yeah, we're good. So that's the Roth update for the week. I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.